Hello everybody, this is an introductory video about Arduino UNO including the development kit board. So the Arduino UNO is a simple Arduino with the microcontroller Atmega 328P which you can program for simple programs. This can be directly connected to your PC using a USB port as you can see here. So the first step will be installing our program into the Arduino board. We can first check that our Arduino is the correct one once it is connected to the USB port, and you can see the COM port is connected. Then you can also press the button of get board information. Here you can see the information about the board. All this will happen once you open the Arduino IDE. So once everything is confirmed, then we can go to the file menu and we can go to the examples. We have to go to the example section, and you can see there is a basic example and there is a blinking LED example. Just open this example and you will see the various functions written here in the C language, and you can see the LED port, and this LED is the LED already installed on the Arduino board. So after checking everything, you can go to the upload portion to upload this program to your Arduino board. And you can see this icon. Once you click this, it will upload the program to the Arduino board. So once you click, you will see on the status that the program is being uploaded. Once the upload is done, you can see the status, you can see the number of bytes written to the Arduino board, and after the completion we can see the actual LED in action. We can see the actual LED blinking. Here you can see the LED is blinking with 1 second interval. This is our program that we loaded. If you like the video, please press like and subscribe to my channel for more useful videos about various topics including technology and programming. Thank you.